Today we are shining the spotlight on one of Nigeria's most iconic figures, Chief Emeka Anyaoku, the pride of Obosi town in Anambra State and a trailblazer on the global stage. As he turns 91 years, let's dive into the incredible life of this diplomatic legend, whose impact spans generations. Dubbed a healer of international strife by the University of Liverpool when they honored him with a doctoral degree in 1993, Chief Anyaoku's legacy is a tapestry of excellence, diplomacy, and leadership. Decades later, that description still holds true for this phenomenal elder statesman. Now, here are 9 fascinating things you should know about the man who has made Nigeria proud time and again. 1. Born to shine. On January 18, 1933, in the historic town of Obosi, Anambra State, Chief Anyaoku entered the world with greatness in his DNA. He went on to study the classics at the University College Ibadan, where he was a student leader. His thirst for knowledge led him to further studies in England and in France. 2. A freedom fighter. Chief Anyaoku played an active role in Nigeria's fight for independence from British rule. Talk about starting strong. 3. Early diplomatic roots. In April 1962, he became the personal assistant to the permanent secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs, settling the stage for a remarkable diplomatic career. 4. A star at the United Nations. By 1963, he was posted to Nigeria's permanent mission at the United Nations in New York. This marks the beginning of his global rise as an international diplomat. 5. The Commonwealth Maestro. In 1966, Chief Anyaoku joined the Commonwealth Secretariat as Assistant Director of International Affairs, later becoming a director. By 1977, he was elected Deputy Secretary General, overseeing international affairs and the administration of the Secretariat. 6. Making history as Secretary General. From 1990 to 2000, Chief Anyaoku served as the 3rd Secretary General of the Commonwealth, making history as the first African to hold such a prestigious position in an intergovernmental organization. His leadership brought political and democratic transitions to countries recovering from civil wars, coups, and racial divides. 7. A short stint as minister. In 1983, he briefly served as Nigeria's Minister of Foreign Affairs under President Shehu Shagari. However, the role was cut short when the government was overthrown by a military coup led by Major General Muhammadu Buhari. 8. The anti-apartheid hero. Chief Anyaoku played a pivotal role in South Africa, contributing to the fight against apartheid and helping establish Nelson Mandela's government of racial equality. His work remains a beacon of hope for justice and equality. 9. Honors and recognitions. In 1982, the federal government appointed him a Commander of the Order of the Niger (CON). He has also received honorary doctorates from world-class universities and is a trustee and board member of several international organizations. As we celebrate Chief Emeka Anyaoku's 91st birthday, we honor a man whose name is etched in history. From Obosi to the world, his story is a reminder that greatness knows no bounds. Drop a comment below and join Eboying People TV in wishing this global icon a very happy birthday.